Good morning, students. Today we are going to start second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India. Now students, what do you understand by physical features? Physical features क्या होते हैं? Physical features are the one which we can see or observe. जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं, जिनको हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं physical features. Children, as you all know that our country India or Indian subcontinent is divided into major physical features as like there are mountains also, there are desert region also, plateaus also, coastal region also. So they are known as physical features of India. If we go to Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, there we are going to see mountains. And if you go to Goa, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, there is a coastal region, and if you want to see deserts, then you have to go to Rajasthan. So these are the major physical features of India, and in this chapter we are going to learn it one by one. Now children, tell me one thing. Was it possible that one day God has thought to drop these mountains or plateaus on this earth? ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि भगवान ने सोचा चलिए आज हम माउंटेन्स को अपनी अर्थ पे भेज देते हैं, वहाँ जाके ऑटोमेटिकली फिक्स हो जाएंगे. ये तो नहीं हुआ होगा. सो वॉट हैड हैपेंड, हुआ क्या होगा जी हमारी अर्थ पे माउंटेन्स भी हमें मिलते हैं, हमको कोस्टल रीजन भी मिलता है, डेजर्ट भी मिलते हैं, प्लेटोज भी होते हैं, प्लेन्स भी होते हैं. So these physical features are formed on earth with the time. With the time period only they are formed on earth only. Heaven से कोई भी नहीं आया है. So now how they are formed? This question must be arised. So answer we will give in this chapter through the plate tectonic theory. Children, in this theory you have to just be little bit more imaginative. थोड़ा सा इमेजिनेशन पावर इसमें बढ़ानी होगी, बिकॉज इन जोग्राफी लिटिल बिट इमेजिनेशन इज नीडेड देयर, विच इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू प्लेट टेक्टोनिक थ्योरी in a nutshell. It is very interesting chapter. Please pay attention. Now children, what is plate tectonic theory? Children, you all have must seen a boiled egg. सबने देखा होगा बॉइल्ड एग. सो यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट देयर आर 3 पार्ट्स इन बॉइल्ड एग्स. अब ये मत सोचना मैं ये आपको क्यों बता रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू विद एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बॉइल्ड एग. जस्ट टेक अ बॉइल्ड एग. यू विल सी द अपर मोस्ट पार्ट, द शेल, बहुत पतली सी थिन लेयर होती है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट वाइट पार्ट ऑफ द एग, and last one is yolk, yellow part of the egg. Same is with our earth. What? Our earth is made up of 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the uppermost and the thinnest layer of our earth, then mantle, then core. Okay, so plate tectonic theory reveals that our earth is made up of plates. Plates are basically made up of crust plus upper mantle, and these plates are moving on semi-liquid magma. The movement of these plates causes volcanic activities, earthquake and formation of mountains also. How they cause the formation of mountains? Basically, there are 3 plate boundaries. Number 1, divergent plate boundary. Number 2, transform plate boundary. And number 3, convergent plate boundary. When two plates moves against, when two plates go far away from each other, it is known as divergent plate boundary. Now, when two plates slip on each other, it is known as transform plate boundary, and when two plates coming close to each other is known as convergent plate boundaries. These are the basically 3 plate boundaries, and these are only responsible for the activities such as volcano, earthquake and formation of mountains. Till date, this is the most authenticate theory, plate tectonic theory, which explains the formation of mountains. Now, we will learn about physical features of India, and the very first we will learn about the Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains are the highest mountains in the world, and they are the Youngfold mountains. The Himalayas run along the northern border of India. The Himalaya form an arc which is about 2400 km long. The width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. Means the Himalayan mountains are extended from Arunachal Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir in the northern part of India or in northern east part of India. हिमालयाज हैज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट जोग्राफिकल वैल्यू, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंस रखते हैं हिमालयाज हमारी कंट्री के लिए, बिकॉज़ बेटा जो हमारी विंटर सीज़न में जो रशिया वाला पार्ट है, साइबेरियन पार्ट्स है, वहाँ से एक्सट्रीम जो कोल्ड विंड्स हैं वो हमारी इंडिया के नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में एंटर नहीं कर पाती हैं, बिकॉज़ वो हिमालय से टकराकर वापस रशिया की तरफ लौट जाती हैं. हिमालय हियर एक्ट्स लाइक अ बैरियर एंड दे प्रिवेंट extreme cold wind to enter in Indian subcontinent. So हिमालयाज़ की जोग्राफिकल भी वैल्यू है एंड रिसोर्स वाइज भी वैल्यू इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज very important resources are also found in Himalayan region. There are some highest peaks of Himalayas. Mount Everest, where is Mount Everest? You all will find and give me the answer. Is it in India or in China or in Nepal? You will give me the answer. Then K2, then Kanchenjunga. These are some list of the highest peaks of mountains. Let me know where is Mount Everest. Now, these Himalayan range or Himalayan mountains are further divided into three parts: the Great or Inner Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, and the Shivalik. The northmost range is also known as Himadri, means Great Himalayas are also called Himadri. This is the most continuous range. It contains the loftiest peaks, means highest peak. सबसे वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट पीक आपको कहाँ पे मिलेंगी? ग्रेट हिमालयाज में. द एवरेज हाइट ऑफ पीक इज़ इन दिस रेंज 6000 मीटर्स. इस रेंज में हिमालय की जो एवरेज हाइट है पीक्स की लगभग 6000 मीटर्स है. All the prominent Himalayan peaks are in this range. The folds of Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature and the core of this part is composed of granite. Means these mountains core is composed of granite. The Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. This lies towards the south of Great Himalayas. Just below Great Himalaya, in the form of an arc, lies Himalayan, Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. Here, the average height of the ranges varies from 3700 meter to 4500 meter. The Shivalik. It is the outermost range of the Himalayas. The altitude beta means होता है height. The altitude varies between 900 and 1100 kilometer in this range. Means यहाँ पे जो peaks हैं उनकी average height 900 से 1100 किलोमीटर के बीच में पाई जाती है. The longitudinal valley lies between Himachal and Shivaliks are known as Doon.